know many people are having trouble with their Boss BE7ACP stereo not turning on after a battery disconnect? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Park and engage brake. Ensure your vehicle is parked and the parking brake is engaged. Step 2. Connect Android device. Connect your Android device to the stereo using the appropriate USB cable. Step 3. Load Android Auto. Load the Android Auto app on your device and follow the setup prompts. Step 4. Grant necessary permissions. During the setup, ensure that Maps, Music, and Google Android Auto permissions are granted. Step 5. Install/accept permissions. For Android 9.0 or earlier, install Android Auto from Google Play. For Android 10.0 or later, plug in and accept the permissions. After following these steps, your stereo's anti-theft feature should be reset, and it should turn on successfully. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Boss users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.